As you may know, Spatial in 35 years has been at the origin of many different revolutions in 3D world. That's why the partnership with Ultimaker and to be part of this ecosystem is also very important for us. First of all, because it's important for Spatial to work with a leader, as Ultimaker can be in this domain, but also it confirms some certainties we have. Certainties that desktop 3D printers are not anymore confined in the design offices. It plays a role more and more active and bigger in the industrial fields. As you may know, every day your customers are dealing with bad geometry like STL. So they lose money, they lose time because they don't have the right geometry. For example, non-watertight meshes. It means that there is holes in the geometry, or overlapping triangles, or the part is far too big, far too precise, and then it's gigabytes of data for nothing. Or, at the opposite, the file there is far too less triangles, so it's not precise enough to be printed. Now, using a native geometry with 3D InterOp from Spatial, give to your customer the possibility to solve 99% of these problems. In fact, because they have now the grip on the quality management of the data. But in my opinion, it's only the beginning of the story because there's many information in the 3D CAD files.